Welcome back to THC. Today we are working on my Commodore and we are going to put some long springs in the back of it. They have, I think, super lows, and they're not even super lows. Might be just lows in the front, I cannot fucking remember. But the back needs to go a bit lower, and yeah, thought we'd fucking record it for you guys. This thing, still not running, don't know why. We'll fucking sort it. Hopefully.
Two on the roof. There's fucking one in it.
Two on the roof, one in it, and it still don't run properly. But today we're working on this. Shout out to Gearheads Oz. So we're putting the axle stands in right now. You good? How's your side? You good?
See if the tyres touch or not. Okay, the tyres are in touch. We're going to get back up. So we take the tyres off.
Grab that tire off. This side. They were tighter, I cracked.
Before we get the comment. Why was your wheel not square?
Yep. Now we just have to take that bolt out off the shock and then drop the fucking jack down.
I think it'll be easy to just drop it down so it's pretty much hanging there and just take the weight out a little bit. Just the bolt itself is relatively loose in the shock, so like we'll let it go all the way down and just take the weight of the diff.
Yeah. Here's the sketch bit. Just need to take it for a little drive and make it settle a bit better. So this is fucking part 2 of today. We're deleting this little fucking muffler here because it's way too quiet.
This is the new car, by the way. We swapped.
There's a chicken! Anyway, this is the new car. Like you were saying.
We swapped this for the race car, pretty much.
Yeah, race car's gone. We gotta actually fucking show you, eh?
That's a hoopty.
It's a Ford Festiva.
1.3 litres of fury.
Fast as fuck, boy. So we pulled the fucking exhaust off. Cut the muffler out. There's the flange for it. Just a piece of pipe. Cut it too. Johnny's gonna clean up that end when he gets back, and yeah, I'll show you more afterwards.
Alright guys, getting a bit late in the afternoon now, but putting the exhaust back on. Yeah, it's on there. Yeah.
You good?
Man, it's 30 years.
It's a new day, same video.
It's chilly.
It is chilly. Well, yesterday when we took the muffler out, it did fuck all. It was still just all engine noise. So we're gonna delete the one down here, down there, in there.
Yeah. We're going to put the muffler that we took out yesterday. The muffler that was removed from the middle of the car is just going to get put where that muffler there and take the big muffler in the back. Stick this little fella back in there.
Yeah.
Which you can look through. And it's got like the honeycomb stuff on the sides, so then it is actually like a good muffler. And it's little, for the little car.
Little for a little car.
I'd like some wheels too.
Yeah, anyone know? I don't know what fucking stud pattern this is.
It's not 5 stud either.
It's not 5 stud. It's 4, probably by 100.
No, I don't even think so. It does look a little bigger. I took one of the kits off. It does look a little bigger. I was just going to put them on.
Right. So we took the muffler off, and that's the one that goes in it. This one, this is what just came out of it.
And you can't see through there. There's no light, no matter what position you hold it with. Look. It's plugged. Oh, for the camera?
Oh yeah, for the camera. It's a little gange. It's not like full on rice, but it's still a bit gange.
Well, this is just enough.
This is not as like. There's your rice.
Ah, that's right.
That is fucking gange right there. My bad.
Shit. We're gonna have to come up with a better solution.
We are indeed.
Before the muffler, right?
Mm.
You reckon? It was just loud.
Not on idle. It doesn't sound good on. Like, it sounds good on idle now. It's just fucking bad on desal. Oh, not good. We're going for a drive in the Gange mobile and heading into town, and we'll show you what it sounds like once we get away from the lights. It's not too bad until you get up to like fucking $5,000. Fuck it out. Ah, again. Johnny's bolting it up to the car. It sounded fucking very rice. Very. So, yeah, we changed the tip to like a stock looking fucker. But yeah, hopefully this makes it sound a bit better. We'll show you what it sounds like when it's on the fucking car.
Yeah.
So guys, it's a new day again, and now there's a big bore on it. We were gonna record it, but ended up being too lazy. And he made a silencer for it that he's gonna take out. So we're gonna go for a little drive and see what it sounds like.
It's fucking massive.
That's so fucking big. There's one on his Honda's smaller than that. That is the silencer. I'm sure it was longer. It was too.
You good?
Far out. So we're going for a little drive to see what it sounds like. Just the big bore, no silencer in it.
Old raggy, right? Not bad. Considering what it's like with nothing. Yeah, it was so fucking rice. Really keep me out of traffic. Really, it's alright. It does pop lots more. I'll give it that.
We're off.
One screen.
Does both. up putting a big bore on it as we just showed you, and sorry for not recording that part, but it's all done now. And just to add a little bit more rice, he added an Exxon one headlight, and I'll show you the silencer again if I find it. There it is. This is the silence setup. It works pretty good. What you just heard was without it. And I'll show you how big it is one last time. Look at that. The big bore's pretty big. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, do whatever you fucking want. Actually, we don't mind.
We'd like you to subscribe.
Yeah.
That would be good.
We are hopefully gonna get this thing to run,
Still won't start with this new starter mode.
and that's mainly because the battery we have is fucking crap.
So we might just push it.
Yeah, might push start it with that motherfucker. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Sorry for the shakiness, I'm fucking freezing. But we'll see you in the next video.